and welcome to the How to Do Song. Today we will make a mug cake. The team is the following: Fernando Gabriele the cook, Joaquin Rivas the assistant, and me the presenter. And now the ingredients with Mr. Gabriele.
The ingredients are the following: flour, milk, royal, an egg, sugar, a mug, 1 teaspoon and a spoon Milo, and oil.
First, you need to open the egg and put in the mug, and also you whisk it. You have to whisk it until it looks like this one. Then you have to add 2 spoons of oil and 3 spoons of milk. You have to whisk it until it looks like this one. Then you have to add 3 spoons of sugar, 3 of Milo, and you whisk it. You have to whisk it until it looks like this one. Then add 4 spoons of flour and half teaspoon of royal. Finally, you have to put into the microwave for 4 minutes.
A few minutes later.
And if you want, you can put some sugar on it.
It's only that? Oh, it's so easy.
Yes, it's for noobs. And remember, you can do it for Valentine's Day.
Is the rich sauce.
Hello and welcome to the Hello and welcome to the Hello and welcome to the How to Do a Hello. No. A song.
Aquí?
A song.
How to do a song?
Sí, me dice
How
song.
to do song? How to do song?
Pero para de grabar.
Mac.
Mac.
No sé cómo se dice.
Hello and welcome to do. No. Hello and welcome to the How to Do a Mug Cake. In this day we. Hello and welcome to the How to. Puta, me concentra. Hello and welcome to the. Puta. ¿Por qué?
Estoy grabando, cállate un rato, tío.
And 4 of milk.
Sí, el que sea, mira. Ahora sí. Ah, sí.
Soy yo caleta, loco.
Y así se va a empezar, se va a empezar a caer para los lados.
Ay, loco. Está también.
Mamá, está subiendo mucho. ¡Oh! ¡Carga!